The 2015 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice. And you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.